InVideo.io is a powerful AI generator. Since the platform is a text-to-video, you aren't required to input any video. Here's how to use InVideo. You can choose your workflow. Like in this case, we will use script to video. You can then enter your script in here. I'm going to put one in for the top 10 lists of the benefits of hypnosis. I want to use a female with a British accent. I will go with a middle-aged British voice in this case. Also, I will make the background music be soothing. Now that we've done that, we will generate the video. It takes a little bit of time to do its analyzing and to continue its processing of the video. This is where it wants you to choose your audience, look and feel, and platform. I chose self-help enthusiast, professional for the look and feel, and for our platform, YouTube. Now it will continue its processing. And the video is now ready.
Welcome to our top 10 list of the benefits of hypnosis. In this video, we will explore the incredible advantages that hypnosis can offer. So sit back, relax, and let's dive in. Hypnosis can help you relax and release tension, allowing you to better manage stress in your daily life. By guiding your mind into a state of deep relaxation, hypnosis can help you achieve a more restful and rejuvenating sleep. Through hypnosis, you can tap into your inner resources and boost your self-esteem, leading to greater confidence in all areas of your life. Hypnosis has been shown to be effective in reducing pain, whether it's chronic pain or discomfort from a specific condition. Hypnosis can help you confront and overcome your fears, allowing you to live a more fulfilling and fearless life. By reprogramming your subconscious mind, hypnosis can support you in making healthier choices and achieving your weight loss goals. Hypnosis has been proven to be a powerful tool in helping individuals quit smoking and break free from the grip of nicotine addiction. Through hypnosis, you can enhance your ability to concentrate, improve your memory, and boost your overall mental performance. Hypnosis can assist in healing emotional wounds, helping you let go of past traumas and find inner peace and happiness. Hypnosis has the potential to unlock your full potential, allowing you to create positive and lasting changes in your life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the top 10 benefits of hypnosis. We hope you found this information valuable and inspiring. Remember, the power of hypnosis lies within you.
Now we are ready to publish our video. We can see what's available by the crown between the paid and free plans. This is the pricing that's currently available for the different plans, as well as the details for it. As you can see, this is an amazing text-to-video product.